Hi guys, Anthony here from Ledz. Today we're introducing our brand new 24 volt RGB cob DIY kits. Stay tuned as we unbox this fantastic new product. Let's do the unboxing. Inside you will get a controller, a power supply, some RGB cable, some ripcord, a plug, some accessories, some cap tie, as well as your strip. You will also receive a basic diagram and checklist. Alright, let's wire up our brand new cob strip. You'll take your strip light as well as your strip connector, following your wiring diagram. Line up B with blue, R with red, G for green, and the plus 24 for black. Line it up nicely, it clips down and is secure. To extend your strip to the controller, simply take your chocolate blocks, wire connectors, and you have now extended your cable. This is an optional extra should you wish to extend this part. Now we'll unbox the controller. Take out the controller side, unscrew all of the output screws. Your controller has now been connected successfully. We'll take some ripcord. This is also extendable should you wish. So taking note of which side is your positive and which side is your negative. A nice trick is there is a little groove on the one side, so to remember, my positive has got the groove on it. There's the groove. So we just match it to the power supply. Wiring up the power supply is super easy. It is a simple push button. Line it up, squeeze it in and release, and it is secure. Next up, we'll be putting on the power side of the power supply. Fairly simple, just match the colors, live, neutral and earth. Push the button down and push it in. Nice and secure. Finally, adding the plug. Tighten it up. Let's test it. There you go, all wired up. That is your white, your colors, and you choose the color you want, or you can use one of the pre-programmed settings. Change the speed of it. You can also dim up and down, as well as power the strip on and off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 24 volt DIY strip kit